So I've been using these Ironclad heatworks heavy duty gloves for a while. These are rated, I believe it's to 600 degrees. So they're designed for hot work. They're not designed for direct contact with the flame, but just to show you how much they can handle. Obviously your exposure to different temperatures is dependent on how long the exposure is. With high temperatures, you have to, you can't obviously hold on to 600 degree material indefinitely, but it can handle those temperatures momentarily without melting the silicone on the palms. So you can see the texture of the palm. They have a decent texture to them. They're relatively articulated, so that part's good. I find that a lot of times I prep my fittings, sand them, flux them, and get them ready to solder. Then I put the gloves on before I start the torch work. So that might be what works best for you if you're using them. So just to demonstrate, I'll show you now how well they do. So you can see the pipe is obviously hot. Solder's still liquid, and I can hold that fitting in my hand. So definitely a good choice if you're doing hot work and a lot of soldering. I definitely recommend these Ironclad gloves. Like I said, the dexterity leaves a little bit to be desired, but for a glove that can handle those temperatures, they're definitely good. The silicone palm does get a little bit slick, so especially with flux residue on the pipe, it can get a little bit hard to hold, but for the most part, they handle really well, perform well, so I appreciate Ironclad letting me try them out. And if you're looking for something that would be good for boiler work, pipe work, stuff like that, this might be a glove that you would want to look into. Might want to get you some. The heatworks heavy duty from Ironclad.